Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add music to your Canva wedding invitation. So first open Canva and select the wedding invitation you want to edit. Now on the left hand panel here you will see the audio tab. You just have to click on this. This will open your Canva music library. If you have Canva Pro you can use the Pro audio tracks, but if you don't have it, just click on the music free and here you will see there are a lot of music you can use for free. So you just have to drag it and drop it below the video, something like this, and it will appear. Now you just have to adjust it. You just drag it and you can arrange it until the video, and after that hit the play button to preview this. Once you find everything looks good, then hit on the share button and download to your wedding invitation now comes with beautiful music ready to impress your guests. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.